JFW, South India's leading women's magazine. Now read at your convenience. To subscribe to your e-copy, log on to emag.jfwonline.com.
It's getting hot in here. Let's take off all our clothes. It's a great idea for summer, right? Nobody wants to wear clothes. Believe me, I agree. But on JFW Style Box, keep those clothes on, but in style. 7 looks this season, 7 summer looks with this sizzling Shraddha Punappa. Yes, so many S's out there. It's gonna be sexy, alright? 7 sins, 7 fashion sins this summer. Are you all set? Woohoo! Look number 1. I call this the blush pink look. Now, the ladies love to blush. Shraddha, do you like to blush? Yes. And when it's really hot, you just eventually end up blushing. It's not about you guys, okay, all the time. It's a blush pink top, olive green culottes, which is how you call it. Shraddha is like, please don't say clothes and sound like a fashion retard. So this is look number 1. Are you all set to blush, love? So the top is a blush pink nude top. It's a lycra top from Zara, and the bottom, now that's where it gets playful. These playful pants are called culottes. They're olive green culottes from Spring Diaries. Shraddha, just give us that twirl and a little kiss, baby. Yeah, because we like it. Look number 2, I call this the flirty blue dress. Yeah, the flirty blue number has a couple of dots on it. Nice prints, very easy breezy, and the fact that she can slot her hands into those pockets and be cool is the best thing. But talking about flirty, what is the worst pickup line a guy has used on you, like for real?
So there was this guy who randomly came up to me and asked me if my father was a terrorist, and I was like, what? And he says, because he's manufactured a bomb.
Oh, we're gonna see this bomb. Flood it out a little bit. So this blue flirty number is by Summer Love, which is a brand by Sunena Punnacha, and I absolutely love it because of that detailing right there at the center. She's already got a thin waist, but that is accentuated a little bit more with whatever's going on there. But yeah, she be looking pretty and flirty. Look number 3. This is the Noodle-Strap gown that I'm so in love with because it's like a flowing dress. It's got these amazing patterns, like geometric patterns arranged like vertically and horizontally. But because it's called a Noodle-Strap, Shraddha, I'm going to ask you, what's your favorite food of all time?
I'm a big fan of Thai and Vietnamese cuisines. So yeah, and I love eating salads.
Yeah, like, so it clearly shows. Have you ever like eaten a lot like I do?
I do.
Yeah,
I do. I love sweets as well. I love desserts, but I like having my salads and then
salads and desserts. So that's how you maintain a body like that, alright? That's the little tip. But we're gonna go and see how this Noodle-Strap gown looks on Shraddha a little bit more. So every time you twirl your hair and you have long, gorgeous tresses like my girl here, you can go with something that is long. So long tresses is equal to long dresses that are just so chic, got all the girl swag in the world. And if you want to be a little innovative, what you could do is wear a tight triangle set of inners. So that's how you make it innovative, playful, and fill it with love. Number 4 is the sexy summer dress that Shraddha is wearing. I love the twirl, I like the back, I like everything about this top. We'll describe it more in detail, but Shraddha, what do you think is the sexiest thing a woman can carry apart from her clothes?
Definitely attitude. I think attitude goes a long way.
That's something that you like. Okay, but in terms of attitude and keeping things sexy and still smart and still summery, which Bollywood actress do you think can carry this look off really perfectly well?
I would like to take Alia Bhatt's name because I think this is still very young and playful. So I think she could really carry this off well.
Absolutely, Alia Bhatt in this.
Justice to this.
Alright, but let's see how sexy can this get. So the sexy summer dress comes with that really cool tie at the back, but on top the yoke is satin crepe and it's silver in color. You can see those light pink motifs that keep things delicate at the same time. And also down the skirt, as you progress down, you go to a viscose cotton flare that looks just pretty. It spreads out, flares out, and it looks really nice. So yeah, keep things sexy, simple at the same time. Yeah, maybe things could get a little naughtier because that back be sexy, baby. Number 5, I like a girl who can shimmy you all into a room with so much of sunshine. I call this the sunshine summer dress, and I love it because on the top, this is both Zara, the top and the pants, striped pants with a sash at the center, just holding it all together. But the mustard yellow top, I think it's a pop of color. Girls, if you like to go take your pictures and stand out, believe me, this color does stand out. Shraddha, where would you wear something like this?
So I usually wear this to work, and this makes me quite comfortable. So I would wear this when I'm going shopping or maybe dinner. I think you can wear it all the time. There's no specific time that...
Yeah, I think this is a work day plus a go out for dinner kind of a dress.
You can wear this all the time. It's quite comfortable in the summer.
Yeah, it looks really nice. You look very happy in it. But if a place had to remind you of all the sunshine in the world, what would it be?
See, the first thing that would come to my mind is my place. The place that I come from, Cool.
Yeah.
Because it's a hill station and definitely reminds me of sunshine and
happiness,
happiness
and all of that.
Yeah.
So let's get more fluff and happiness and shimmy into this one. So girls, if you want to walk into work with something really cool like this, then it's perfect, right? That mustard yellow giving all the right signs that you're ready for a big day at work. And those pants, you can wear it to work, you can wear it for a date night, you can wear it for brunch, you can wear it for anything at all. But I love the fact that this Zara top, you can get it in many colors. Now Shraddha has these in white, in red, in black, maybe even in pink. So many colors, and wear it with absolutely anything and rock the look. Give it a big thumbs up, Shraddha! Yay! Look number 6. This is the easy breezy summer wedding gown that you would slip into at night. Shraddha, tell me, where would you wear something like this?
I prefer wearing these kind of gowns during summer. Like the summer weddings, I think it's very difficult to carry these heavy outfits. So these go very well with the summer weddings and they're very comfortable. So I prefer wearing this in the summer.
Alright, so if you check out this dress, I love the fact that it's a light summer silk and it is a Shraddha Punappa dress. So Shraddha is wearing a Shraddha. I love the way that it kind of opens up at the back and it just flows further down. But if you look at the waist, now that is where the cuts kind of accentuate the waist and makes it look tinier than it already is. Not like Shraddha needs it, but in general, that's what it does. So yeah, beautiful, long hair, long gown, totally in this season. Number 7, we've reached the 7th deadly sin, the 7th outfit we've picked for you, the 7th look. This is called the Indigo affair, the Indigo summer affair. And I love this dress. It's a crop top, a skirt, a low high, low in the front, high at the back. But Shraddha, why are crop tops and skirts still in?
So crop tops and skirts have been in fashion for some time now. It looks very classy, very elegant, yet it's easy to carry because you don't have dupatta. I mean, you don't need to wear a dupatta with it. So also wearing the same print as the blouse and the skirt, that's one of my favorites right now. So I've been doing a lot of those kind of crop tops and skirt, and I think all my clients tend to love it.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I love wearing things that are of the same print.
Absolutely. I think any person, any girl, any size can wear something like
this, right? And it doesn't cut your height off, so it looks really nice.
Alright, so this is a hand-painted tussar silk crop top and skirt that Shraddha is wearing. I absolutely love the fact that it's all the same print. It's got a hint of waist that it shows, and I love the fact that she slapped on some heels. So yeah, get sultry this summer with this kind of an affair. I know it's not a normal summer color, but it's vibrant, vivacious, just like Shraddha is. Blow everybody a kiss. It's your final look, Shraddha. Alright.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. To watch more fun videos like this, do subscribe to JFW channel.